Hi, everyone. I wanted to let you know I have a schedule completed for the remainder of the semester and what we are going to be completing in Comp 2. So I wanted to go ahead and share this with you. I think this schedule is pretty much set in stone. If something happens and I have to modify it, I will let you know. So this week, Wednesday, April the 8th, is when your topic selection worksheet is due. That's when you are selecting the topic for your Rogerian argument, and you're going to use the library website to find ebooks and database sources, and then also just use Google to find some websites. You'll complete that worksheet and submit it. Then next week, April 15th, a test and a discussion board assignment are both due. Okay. Then moving on, Wednesday, April 22nd at noon, an APA annotated bibliography is going to be due. Now, you've previously completed an annotated bibliography, and it's going to be set up in basically the same way, except we're going to use APA citations. And there's a little bit different way that we'll structure the formatting of that, but you will be instructed on how to do that in the learning modules. Okay, so go ahead and be working on gathering your sources, perhaps the sources that you write for your topic selection worksheet. Maybe go ahead and be reading those and summarizing them and making some notes about them so that you can use them for the annotated bibliography. Okay, also, you need to be working on summarizing information for your paper, just like we did with the informational paper. And I'm going to go over that in a little more detail in the upcoming modules. But gather background information on your topic, gather information for the opposite side of your stance, gather information for the side of the topic that you support. Start reading that information, summarizing it, and paraphrasing it. And then you'll be able to compile it into your paper. Okay, so Wednesday, April 29th at noon, I'm going to require you to submit a minimum of 3 pages of your Rogerian argument paper to Upswing for review. Since we are not on campus and I'm not going to be able to meet with you for an individual paper conference, this is what we are going to do in lieu of the individual conference with me. I am going to require you to submit it to Upswing for a tutor to review. And I will assign points to that, 100 points. These are not bonus points. These are actual points. So if you do not do this assignment, you will earn a 0 for that. Okay, then your Rogerian argumentative paper in APA format will be due on Monday. Notice a little bit difference in the date. Monday, May 4th at noon, 5 to 7 pages. Okay, I'm going to be giving you those specific requirements soon for your paper. And then while I'm in the process of grading those papers, that following week, Wednesday, May 6th at noon, you will have a test on APA formatting, multiple choice, true, false. And then during finals week, I'm going to give you 2 dates that you can choose from to start your final exam. It'll either be May 11th or 12th. It's going to be a comprehensive exam. And so what that means is I will take all the tests that you've completed in the course, take questions from those tests. They'll be mixed up throughout the test, and then you will answer those questions. So there will be no new material that you have to study for. It's comprehensive, meaning everything that we've already covered in the course. So I hope that having this timeline will kind of help you in planning out the rest of this semester. Please note that each week, as new modules are opened, I will be providing you step-by-step instructions on how to complete the APA annotated bibliography. I'm going to show you an example of an APA Rogerian argument paper. We're going to work through that step-by-step. So just maybe keep this calendar handy. I have a calendar that I keep where I write down due dates and different things that are due, that might be helpful for you, especially. And then if you have several classes that you're working in online, maybe color code those classes, put them each in a different color. And that's kind of what I tried to do here with your due dates, is color code them to kind of make them stand out and see what you had upcoming. Again, be working on gathering information. I think you can see from the first paper that we wrote, you don't want to wait till the last minute. You know what you want to write about, so go ahead and start looking for those sources. Look for those ebooks. Look for those database articles. Start reading those and start making some notes so that then you can compile everything into a paper. Please do not hesitate to contact me via email if you have any questions.